Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of Travel Hacks with TravelTube. Are you traveling soon? Because if you are, then this is the perfect video for you. Today I'm going to share some amazing travel hacks that are going to make your next journey a breeze. The first hack is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. This way you're going to reduce the amount of wrinkles on your fabrics. The second hack and the most important one is to download the TravelTube app for real-time updates and exclusive discounts. I promise you, this is gonna influence your trip immensely. Number 3. Pack noise-cancelling headphones for a peaceful travel experience. Number 4. Use TravelTube's city guides to discover hidden gems and local recommendations. On to the fifth hack. Remember the noise cancellation headphones I told you to carry? We're gonna need those because TravelTube has amazing audio guides that you can download and listen to offline or on the background of other apps. I mean, you sorted! Number 6 is for my fellow munchies out there. Follow TravelTube's foodie recommendations for the best restaurants in town. Lastly, this is for the baddies. Don't forget to carry a camera. You need to take those photos and post them. Of course, with TravelTube's Moments feature, you can now post pictures and create moments to share with your online friends. And with that, guys, be sure to follow the travel hacks for a smooth travel experience. See you after my vacation. I'm about to go. Say hi, Cookie. Bye.